The invention of the internet was a major turning point in the history of technology, connecting people globally. But in today's digital era, imagine a world where not just people, but everyday objects, communicate seamlessly. Welcome to the Internet of Things, IoT, where your coffee maker talks to your alarm clock, your fridge chats with your grocery list, and your car has a heart-to-heart with your thermostat. But how does IoT relate to keeping us safe online? As the number of IoT devices grows rapidly, it also becomes a potential target for cyber threats. Hi, this is Cybersecurity Info. In this video, we will explore the idea of IoT in terms of cybersecurity. The Internet of Things, IoT, is more than just a term, it's a network that links various devices, allowing them to communicate and share data through the Internet. This interconnected web of technology extends far beyond our computers and smartphones, reaching into our homes, daily appliances, security systems, wearable gadgets, and even our vehicles. In essence, IoT has seamlessly integrated into our everyday lives, offering a level of connectivity that was once unimaginable. From the thermostat in our homes to the fitness tracker on our wrists and the smart devices we use, the influence of IoT is vast and pervasive. It's not just a concept, it's a technological reality that has transformed the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. The significance of IoT in terms of cybersecurity. In today's interconnected world, the importance of cybersecurity has never been more critical, especially with the widespread use of various devices. As these devices communicate and share data, ensuring the security of that information becomes paramount. Cybersecurity in the Internet of Things, IoT, plays a vital role in applying control measures to safeguard the integrity, confidentiality, and accessibility of the data exchange between IoT devices. This means implementing protective measures to prevent unauthorized access, maintain the privacy of sensitive information, and ensure that data is not tampered with during transmission. In essence, cybersecurity in IoT is the frontline defense in preserving the reliability and security of the vast network of interconnected devices that have become integral to our daily lives.